Fuck with me, she called color my action character and I love shit, yeah. My breath, I love, yeah.
Traveling in a fighter combi on a hippie trailhead full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. And she said, do you come from a land down under, where women go and men wonder? Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. From a man in Brussels, 6'4" and full of muscle.